I will show you how you can export and download your Lovable projects in a few steps, so this way you can have all the files and the source code directly on your PC. So all you need to do is go to your project. In my case, I'm gonna do this one, so click on it, and now there are two different ways you can do this. So the first one will be by clicking this code button, and right here you should see the structure of your project, so you can see all the files and their code right here. You can manually download the files right here, but if there are too many files, the best thing you can do is go to the preview again, and then you can click the GitHub button. So you will need to connect this project to your GitHub account. If you don't have a GitHub account, you can create one very quickly, and you need to connect it to your Lovable account as well. So after that, connect your project. Right here, select your GitHub organization and transfer it. Now your project will be live on GitHub, it will be private. So if you click right here, you should see the GitHub option, or you can edit it on your Visual Studio Code directly. So if you click right here, you can directly open the project on Visual Studio Code. And if you click on GitHub, you should find the project and you can click on code and download the project as a file. So that's it. That's how you can export your Lovable projects in a few steps. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.